Coming down the Ave, I'm free at last, I'm off for work. I wanna be bad, do something rash, or leave this curse. What am I worth? Lost my mind from taking one step forward and always being 2 steps behind. My 9 to 5 is prison, can't live off what I'm giving. Don't make no good decisions, I ain't made for winning.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and you guys see that I have my handmade, pre-made DreadShop locks in my head, completely installed. And first things I want to say is this video is sponsored by DreadShop. The locks were absolutely easy to work with. I use the braiding method because these locks are double-stranded locks, like double-ended locks. There are loads and loads of videos on YouTube showing you how to insert these type of locks. These locks here are very firm, made from kanekalon hair. As you saw, I used 2 different colors. I used the ash blonde medium locks and the natural brown medium locks. If you're interested in these locks right away, do find the description box below. There will be links to this exact hair, of course, without a doubt. I don't know if there's any other type of method out there to where you can insert double-ended locks. They are reusable. You can remove these easily. They're still intact. Take it out, wash your hair, put them back in. They'll look just as good. These locks have started to frizz up, which I'm completely okay with it. I'm okay with the hair frizzing up because I like frizzy hairstyles. I didn't like how crisp the lock looked at first when I first put it in. I was like, okay, so you know, what am I gonna do about that? So I basically just did this, and you will start to see how fuzzy they will get. I also did my ends like that because I have Afro kinky texture hair and I would want it to somewhat blend, you get what I mean, like not look too obvious. So like, let's say if you were to order some black dreads from DreadShop, it would, in fact, it would blend with your hair. Like if you have the Afro kinky kind of dark brown hair, it would somewhat blend with that and it would almost look seamless. But since I went for like a light brown, this isn't really my hair color, you know, you're going to see like the difference, but it doesn't look bad. So okay, let's talk about the product as a whole. The product, in each pack there are at least 10 locks. So I did section my hair into 6 sections because I had 6 packs of hair. So for each section I used 1 pack. So I used all 6 packs of hair, giving me 60 locks in total. Once again, these are the medium size locks. They are smaller than I expected them to be. They do have thin locks, medium, and then they have the large thick locks. I'm probably looking forward to trying the thick locks next. Now another thing that I love about the double-ended locks is your head fills up faster with these. So 1 lock is equivalent to 2 locks. It only took me 4 to 5 hours to do this hairstyle. I feel like I could have, you know, gotten done quicker than that. But yeah, it didn't take long at all. It didn't feel like it took forever because it was so much fun doing them. But I think I've talked a little too much in this video already, so thanks y'all for who are watching, and thanks again DreadShop for collaborating with me. I look forward to working with you guys again. Thanks so much. Do me a favor, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell on this channel so you will not miss out on when I upload a new video. It'll come straight to your phone, let you know. Straight to your subscriptions tab, it will let you know when I upload exactly. Once again, if you are interested in purchasing these locks or any type of locks from DreadShop, you will find the website and all of the links in the description box, all of their contact information in the description box, all of that jazz. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, you guys. I can see you guys in the next video. Yeah, bye.